Hi everybody, Scott Fuller from East Bay Short Sale Group. We are your Livermore short sale realtors. Thanks for visiting us today. I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the impacts, the HAFA program that actually can help benefit you as a homeowner. If you're selling your property as a short sale, you can actually receive some cash back on this type of a program. So the general HAFA program, which is a government sponsored program, at the successful close of escrow, they'll pay you $3,000. Depending on who your particular servicer is, whether it's Bank of America, Wells, Chase, they may actually pay you additional money on top of that $3,000. So if you're not sure how that would work or what kind of money inducement you might be able to expect from your lender at the close of escrow, contact us. Again, we're your Livermore Short Sale Realtors. You can reach us at www.eastbayshortsalegroup.com. And if you have any questions, we're happy to answer those. And yes, short sales do close. We close a lot of them in the Livermore and Tri-Valley area, so contact us for more information. Hope you have a great day. Take care.